Yes, it's here. We finally know the free drops will be dropping in the Yeezy week, not Yeezy day, because what they're basically saying is from the 2nd to the 8th of August, they're going to be dropping Yeezys all the time. As of today, which is the 1st of August, we know on a confirmed app in the UK, they've dropped 3 trainers. These are the Foam Runner Carbon, which is going for £80. We have the Yeezy 350 Bone, which is going for £200. And we have the Yeezy 500 Bone 2003, which is going for £175. Now, you can participate, but the draw says on the confirmed app it's not going to be open, or the winners won't be pulled until the 7th of August, which basically means that it looks like everything's going to be dropping on the 8th. You can participate now on confirmed. You have to enter your details in terms of your money, and if you hit, they just take the money from you. So if you're into any of these, go for it. I probably am going to go for the Foam Carbon. That's just me. I never had the black one, so I'm going to try and get those. Other retailers what seem to be having some of the Yeezy drops are size. They have the Yeezy 350 version 2 Bone, again dropping for £200. Again, these will be released on, or the draw will be made on the 7th of August. S&S show that they have the full run, which is obviously the 350s, 500s and the foams. Surprisingly, these are going for the same price on S&S as on confirmed and with size. End Clothing also have the full run, the 350, the 500 and the foams. Again, these are going for the same retail price. There's no hype or £5 extra fees on these. Again, £175, £200 and £80. Having a look at the FootPatrol, they have only 2, which is a 350 Bone and the Foam Runner Carbons. 350s are still going for £200, but the Carbons are going for £75. So that might be one to go and look at. But just remember, as with size and FootPatrol, they will take your money and hold it. So that money will leave your account, or it be designated for that. So if you don't win, you're still out of pocket until they refund that money. So there we have it. We have the first 3 drops of the Yeezy reunited with Adidas. What do you call them? I don't know. The reunited love between Adidas and Yeezy to make money, basically. So if you're getting any of these, let me know. If you haven't already, you know who I am. My name's Patrick T. Like, subscribe, hit notification bell, comment below. Looking forward to see what people cop. Looking forward to see who they want to cop with. Looks like the Carbons, everyone's going to be going FootPatrol, because why are you going to spend £5 more when you can get them for £5 cheaper, £75 rather than £8? And yeah, let me know. So that's me. I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.